40, 40 bags for $1.
Yep.
About 2.5 cents a bag.
Okay.
So pretty. Oh, my.
Yeah, and how many do we get?
Where do I hold it? Right here?
That's yeah, that's good.
Is it making a glare?
No, it's good.
Okay.
They're pretty, aren't they?
Uh-huh. These are pretty.
How many do you get?
You get 16, and they have a butterfly. Oh, there's a butterfly and some little flowers.
Yeah, they were pretty.
Yes.
Okay.
Springy vibe.
Yes.
All the colors, they are very much alike. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for if you want to put a birthday present in it.
Is that what you got that for?
Yes.
A gift card?
To put a gift card, or you could put some diamond earrings in it too.
You making a suggestion?
It's pretty color inside.
Yeah, it is. Okay, let's get the next thing. Ready?
Oh, I didn't see these. How much were these?
$1, lady.
Okay.
Everything's $1. Mama has a story about how the first time she went into a Dollar Tree, she kept asking the guy how much everything was. And he real patiently told you, right?
For a long time, and then finally he said, everything in here is $1.
What you got there?
A brain food? Big. Oh, brims. I thought it said brain food. These are for people that want to cut out their carbs.
Yeah.
These don't have carbs,
Oh, that's
and
good.
they don't have sugar.
Okay.
So, and they're very crunchy.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Yep. So that's a good low carb snack.
Yeah.
Okay.
No carb.
No carb snack.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a candle.
I can't smell it. I can't smell it.
I can't smell it. Pull that plastic thing off.
Ooh, yeah, that smells good, and it's got a very pretty decoration on it.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yes,
it looks like marble.
it's very It's not garish, and you know what I mean.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty.
It's very sophisticated looking.
Yes, it is. It's called Spice Tea Toddy.
Okay, here's a really pretty birthday card with a puppy looking. I think he's in a car.
Yeah.
That's for a niece of mine. Birthday card.
Happy, happier. That was too fast. Show me again.
Happy, happier, happiest.
And it has kitty cats on it.
Uh-huh. A little cute little kitty cat down at the bottom. I really do like blue. So I think it's really pretty. It says, simple joy.
We see the front.
And it has a lot of space for you just to pour your heart out on there.
Are you going to do that?
Probably not.
Can I see the front? Show us the front. Thank you.
And this was the cutest one that I liked because of the little dog.
Isn't it cute?
It's a Yorkie, and I think they're really cute.
I think you need a Yorkie.
Well, I tell you, I like them, but I don't need one.
Okay. Action. What do you got there?
And when it says Happy Easter, and it's really pretty, it would be pretty just hanging like this,
Mm-hmm.
or you can put it, there's a little place to attach it. You can do this.
And so that's the way it came, actually.
Uh-huh.
But
And
it
I
came.
have another one here. This is the way it would look if you put them together.
So that's the way that one came, but with the purple egg, right?
You can switch the colors if you
Yeah.
want to.
Because you liked the blue with this better.
Yeah. Yeah, I like this color. I like it better.
We had thought we had recorded footage before we switched them out, but the camera woman had it on pause. So we already have this one taken apart, but it came like this. Let's hold it up. This is how it came.
Wait,
You can show.
like that?
Yeah. It came like that.
They liked it. The store people liked it better with
Yeah,
this
and
color.
it's got lavender in the background, I guess.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It has, this is right here.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And the chick came inside the blue one. But Mama decided she wanted the blue egg around the cross. And I like this just plain. So I'm not going to put it with the egg. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do with the purple one.
It's yellow and lavender always go good together.
I like yellow and lavender. I think let's go hang that on the Christmas ladder. So this was our Christmas tree this year. We didn't feel like having a regular tree, and so we found Daddy's old ladder.
Did you say there was orange from your bed?
Yeah, right up here. I think that's orange from a bed Daddy built me. We found several colors we recognized. There was some pink. There's some of the orange right there.
Oh.
And there was some pink from, I think, something. Anyway, we will hang, for now, we'll hang the little Easter sign on the Christmas ladder. This will become the Easter ladder. Need to get our stocking put away and our cards put away. And this is the ornament that Daddy made when he was in rehab. That's special.
Yeah, it was in December.
Yeah, 2017.
So they made a Christmas thingy.
Yeah.
I can't believe y'all got him to do that.
Or
Oh. Okay,
Last
what is
thing.
this?
those are little roller stamps.
Huh?
Do you want to try them out? They're little stamps.
A stamp?
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I think you just pull.
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, well. Okay, you're right with that end. Yeah, that right. Now pull the other end off and see what happens.
Oh, it's got something. I think I just tore it up. I think I just tore it.
Oh. I think you're not supposed to take it that much apart.
Oh.
Let's see. Does it work or is it primitive?
There, look at what it did.
Yeah, it made like it's a little bit primitive, isn't it?
Made
Little
what?
egg.
It made
pattern.
something. It made something. What did it make?
Yeah, it's like supposed to be like a little egg pattern. Huh. This is not. She's demonstrating the way you're apparently not supposed to pull it apart. It's got a little notch. They're not very easy to open. If you're getting this for a child, I don't.
Oh, is it for a
I
child?
think it's supposed to. I assumed
Whoops,
it was.
there it went.
Okay, now try rolling.
Let's see
that
what
one.
this is going to do. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty.
Yeah, except it's not supposed to be that squishy.
Oh, well, you have to develop the feel. You have to develop a kind of a...
There you go.
Yeah. You have to kind of...
Figure out how much to squish it.
Yeah, yeah. If you
that's neat.
squish it too much, it'll do like that right there.
Okay.
So you just lightly, but you be sure you have it straight up and down.
Yeah.
On the paper.
Yep. Neat. You want to try the blue one? I guess they're all the same design. They're hard to get apart.
Let's see what it's gonna make. They all make the same thing?
I don't know.
That's not doing anything.
Is
Take
it
it
turned
back,
the
take
right
it back.
Is it turned the right way? There you go. They're all eggs, I guess.
Okay, yeah. I guess what you could do is make a border on a page.
That's kind of what I was thinking, like in the planner.
Yeah. If you wanted to write something, I guess you would use this end.
Yeah.
See, you can write letters.
Yeah.
You can draw with it. See, you can make a little flower.
You gonna draw me a tree?
See, and make a leaf on it. And then you can use your green one to color your leaf. And your pink one to color the flower.
Yeah.
And you can draw a tree. I can't draw a tree with this. And you can draw a bird.
Well, that's good. That was a good haul we made, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I especially like the fact that you can use this end to draw things.
Yeah. You like drawing.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, thank you for helping me with my haul. What was your favorite item?
The snack bags.
The snack bags. All right. Well, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
No, wave at us.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.